You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. राज्य सरकार ने उष्णकटिबंधीय चक्रवात रेमल से प्रभावित लोगों को तत्काल राहत प्रदान करने के लिए सभी जिलों के उपायुक्तों को कुल 19.85 करोड़ रुपए वितरित किए हैं। आपदा प्रबंधन मंत्री किरमेन शायला ने बुधवार को कहा कि चक्रवात रेमल के कारण हुई भारी बारिश और हवा के कारण पूर्वी जैंतिया हिल्स में एक व्यक्ति की मौत हो गई, 5 लोग घायल हो गए और कुल 5,169 लोग प्रभावित हुए। 271 गांव और 903 घर क्षतिग्रस्त हो गए। उन्होंने यह भी बताया कि पूर्वी पश्चिमी खासी हिल्स और पश्चिमी गारो हिल्स आबादी और संपत्ति के नुकसान के मामले में 2 सबसे अधिक प्रभावित जिले थे। उन्होंने कहा कि ये अनुमान बुधवार सुबह 11 बजे प्राप्त रिपोर्टों के अनुसार हैं। कुल वित्तीय नुकसान के बारे में बात करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि इसका आकलन किया जा रहा है। जिलेवार विवरण देते हुए उन्होंने कहा, पूर्वी पश्चिमी खासी हिल्स में 7 गांवों में 1,243 लोग प्रभावित हुए और 3 घर क्षतिग्रस्त हो गए। प्रभावित बुनियादी ढांचे में बिजली के खंभे और सड़कें शामिल हैं।
Today's report I have just read it just now. As per what I have seen here, because till date, till 11 o'clock this morning, we have witnessed Eastern West is the most highly population affected. So as per our reports for today, house it has a different even. West Garo Hills also huge population were affected and many houses and many villages were affected. But which I have just read is the report for this morning. Tell me.
What is the total assessment of damages financially?
As of now, we have not received yet because this will we have seen still continue. So we'll wait and then because even our officers will not be able to tell exactly because this has to be given as per exactly per norms. So as per the norms we have to calculate and that will take time.
So how much fund has been spent for extending relief during the past 4 days of this cyclone?
As per this report, which was given to me by our officers, 19 crore 85 lakh has been released to different districts. All the 12 districts, this amount has been released for immediate relief.
So
This amount can
19
be
crores.
19 crore 85 lakh. This is the amount released to different districts so that they can utilize for immediate relief and they need not wait for all those norms to be followed. They can go ahead because they know the norms thoroughly and as per that they can release the money and then the procedure to be followed later on. Oh, as of now we cannot say which because they don't give me the details per district, but overall it's 19 crore 85 lakh.
Maximum damages we have seen is thatched and of course the edgy sheets are there.
Yeah.
What happened to the scheme, that housing scheme? where
But that
poor
is
people-
going on.
But then maximum these are all gone. It's destroyed and poor people are not got benefits.
Those housing scheme actually as per my knowledge because even in my own constituency also we practice the same. Those scheme we are not waiting the housing scheme especially those CGI sheet which we receive from the departments. Whenever we receive it we give it to the public and if in case that is how I practice in my constituency, if in case any emergencies whatever can be done from deputy commissioner level he is doing it. And there are times that is not enough with that budget which they have sent to, giving to public. So additional as an MLA, I feel is my duty So I used to give additional, and then whatever we can, because we have from the MLA scheme, we used to buy CGI sheet. Not necessarily every MLA has to buy CGI sheet, but my practice is that I used to buy at least 60% of my scheme for CGI sheet, especially the first year of for this term. So this thing, as of now, we have not distributed to everyone. How much we have distributed, we have already done, but which is still left over there, we give it to those affected area. That is how we practice. So I believe even other MLAs are doing the same. So because for that, there's no norm to be followed. They can give it either 5 piece, 10 piece, six, three bundle, two bundle, as per as much they want, and then take a signature. So MLA has the authority from their MLA scheme to give, I mean, distribute CGI sheet or anything they want.
But the reality is totally different. Number of houses affected, roofs.
Uh, Actually, as per norms, direct situation cannot be given by the deputy commissioner. So, but under his, under his leadership, it is his. However, he feel the needs to do with this amount of money we have sent to them. They can find a ways and means how to support the family. So sometimes they even give a situation.